2 weeks ago, I was in Egypt, and I went out to work with this startup accelerator, right? And there's some brilliant startups out there that if they make it, are going to change the world. They're certainly going to help people in Egypt, right? And we worked on vision, purpose, and impact for 2 days. We weren't supposed to do it for 2 days, but they were stuck. They were so convinced of their wonderful product and their features that they could not get out of that box, right? And there was this one startup, it's telemedicine related, and the founder was a doctor, and the person like running his company was not. And the doctor was being very quiet. The other guy just kept talking over me about their bells and whistles, but people have to know about this. People have to know about this. So I said, please be quiet. I looked at the doctor and I said, why the hell did you start this company? And he said, 24/7 access to healthcare. I said, oh, is that going to be more affordable? Yes. Is it going to save lives? Yes. So you're going to save lives by providing 24/7 access to affordable healthcare? He said, yes. Purpose and impact, boom, there it is. And often we get so stuck in the weeds. We're so busy chopping down trees that we lose view of the forest, whether it's our lives, whether it's a campaign we're building, whether it's a business we're building. You're going in the wrong direction. You're starting with those tools and trying to work your way up to your vision. You got to start with your purpose, pair it with your impact, determine your vision, and then everything comes from there.